Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make keto bone broth. This nourishing liquid is a fantastic addition to any ketogenic lifestyle, offering numerous health benefits. It supports gut health, provides essential minerals, and is a delicious, low-carb, high-fat option. Making it yourself ensures you control all the ingredients, avoiding unwanted additives. Get ready to learn a simple, cost-effective way to create this nutrient-dense staple right in your own kitchen. To begin your keto bone broth journey, you will need a few key ingredients and some basic kitchen tools. Opt for high-quality bones, such as grass-fed beef or organic chicken, for the best flavor and nutrient profile. Aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery will add depth, while a splash of apple cider vinegar is crucial for extracting those valuable minerals. A large stock pot or a slow cooker will be your best friend for the long simmering process. Now let's get cooking. First, roast your bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This step significantly deepens the flavor. Next, place the roasted bones in your pot, cover them with water, and add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for at least 12 hours, ideally up to 24 hours. Remember to skim off any foam during the initial hour of simmering. Once your bone broth has simmered to perfection, it is time for the final steps. Carefully strain the cooled broth through a fine mesh sieve to remove all solids, leaving you with a clear, golden liquid. You can store this liquid gold in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze individual portions in ice cube trays or freezer-safe bags. Enjoy your homemade broth as a warm drink, or use it as a flavorful base for your favorite keto recipes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.